What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the 2 Minute Drill. Well, today we got our bounce. We're at 400 exactly, it seemed. Right? That's what we were talking about yesterday. We knew the bounce was coming there. We bounced in the overnight, and then we ran up on the labor costs that came out before market open. So that led us to go higher, and we ended up just having a straight trend day up. Okay. Up until about 30 minutes into close, we were at about 40 to 50 million in volume, and then we absolutely skyrocketed in the last 30 minutes with over 30 million in volume by itself. So there were some late participants once we broke out of that 405, ended up taking us all the way up to 406. Now we had AMD report after hours, Snap report after hours, market down just a few ticks, ES down 12 handles. I think SPY's down buck or two, whatever. Not a big deal so far. But nonetheless, we are getting to a major resistance level. Again, obviously, we know what tomorrow, FOMC. We also have some economic data coming out before Powell as well. So we'll want to be cognizant of that if you're going to be playing everything early in the morning. One thing I do want to make note of is this. The last two FOMC events, the meetings and the minutes, go look them up. Okay, do some homework, Google, figure out when the events were. Okay, we did two things that were in common. The first thing is we were shot out of a candidate at the open, and then we ended up basing for 2 hours or roughly into PAL. Okay, into PAL, right? Then all the data, everything that comes out, he speaks 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and he fucks everything up. But there is a clear trend for the last couple. Okay, we get bought up, we jet up at the open, and then we come up to a major resistance. Okay, and we range there in a very tight range. Once you let that range establish, that's what you want to trade prior to PAL. It's likely we don't break out. It's likely we don't break lower, okay, when that range gets established. So that's my game plan tomorrow. Now, what can that range be, right? I don't know, but right now I know this. 400, right? Right here is the low, okay, and we're looking at 405 to 408. So the range could likely be, right? The range could likely be tomorrow. Maybe it's 405 to 408, right? Maybe, I don't know. So what you're going to want to wait to see is where do we open? If we open up above 405, you're likely going to see if we try to get up here to 408 and likely have a base action. If we open up below 405, maybe see if we get a back test of 403 or 400. Okay, 403 or 400. What you're going to want to do, guys, it's very simple. Okay. Let the opening, let the initial balance out, right? Basically the first hour. Okay. And then figure out where the range is, establishing the high and low, and it will touch it a few times. Then more than likely, there will be one last touch about an hour prior to the meeting, and it will melt up towards a resistance into 2 p.m. Okay, so that's how I'm going to be playing it tomorrow. I'm not even going to touch the open, more than likely, just going to allow the range to establish itself. So the range, the number that the ranges will probably trade around are as follows. It's very simple. 403, 405, 408. Okay, underneath 403, 400, 396. Okay, 393. No idea where we're going to open, guys. But if we open up near a resistance, just know it's more than likely we're not getting through 408. Okay, if we open up at 405, it's good to take that initial rejection off 408. I will definitely be taking that rejection off 408 if we open above 405 and we want to boost up. Okay, I will definitely be longing as well. I will be longing, right, this 400 level right here. I will be longing the 400 level, most definitely. 403, I think, could play as a little bit of pivot. If we open above, let's see 405. Below, we see 400. Okay, that's how you're going to play, guys. Tomorrow's a very tricky day. If you've never played a PAL day or FOMC day, guys, please, 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 just don't play it. Just watch. Watch the fuckery happen, okay? Just watch the fuckery happen and enjoy it. That's it. Okay, if you took calls today off the 400 level, though, okay, put in the comments below, baby. Had that 400 level from last night's homework. Okay, other than that, guys, wake up early. Please get your levels right. And please don't do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.